This is the same batch of cookie dough, but look how much chill time and temperature can change the look of your cookie. Not chilling the dough leads to a more crackly cookie since the dough didn't have time in the fridge to absorb the flour. Chilling for just 30 minutes yielded a thicker, chewier dough. If you like to freeze your cookies to bake on the fly, know that they'll spread even less. Smushing your dough encourages it to spread more, leading to a thinner cookie. Baking the cookies at 375 causes the cookies to rise faster, leading to a crunchier and crispier dough. And last, our favorite, the 2-hour chill and bake at 350. This helps deepen the flavor of your cookie and gives the ingredients time to meld together, creating a chewy cookie with a crispy edge and just the right amount of spread.